Ye shall know the truth, and the truth shall make you free. This is a fundamental concept in the teachings of Jesus. It is a basic premise in what we've been calling practical metaphysics. Ye shall know the truth, and the truth shall make you free. This is a key to scientific prayer. What you experience will always depend on where you are in thought, in consciousness, in feeling, in self-awareness. This is fundamental. If the focus of your thought is negative, the experience will tend toward limitation. This is something we study, we listen to, we practice. It's a fine, wonderful realization. If the thought is centered in truth, the tendency will be toward wholeness in mind, body, and affairs. And obviously this is a great concentration of our whole teaching process to try to get the focus of our attention in truth. In other words, what this says is that you are where you are because of what you are. You are where you are because of what you are. Now that's a very difficult teaching to accept, and there are a lot of folks who don't want to accept it. You may recall it is said of Jesus that when he really got down to some of the nitty-gritty of his fundamental teachings, that many people turned and followed him no more because they wanted to have pat potions. They wanted to have their hands held and their backs patted and so forth. But he said, I came not to send peace but a sword. I didn't come to lull you into complacency, to tell you how lovely and wonderful and sweet everything is, but to help you to understand the truth and to know the truth and to find releasement through it. So fundamental then is you are where you are because of what you are, because of what you are in consciousness, because of what you're thinking. If you're willing to take responsibility for your life, to really take responsibility for your thoughts and the patterns that go on in your subconscious mind, then even as your consciousness has put you where you are, so by a change of consciousness, you can change where you are. You can change your experience. This is why we say every single day on the radio, you can change your life by altering your thoughts. This is fundamental. Now, it's a law that is always working. It's working whether we know it or not, working whether we want to accept it or not. It's working even in times where it seems to be an injustice.